It's been a while since I've made a brand new YouTube video. I've been really busy lately. These last couple months, it's my last couple uploads. But I wanted to show you guys a couple different trades that I currently took. So let's go ahead and let's talk about Uber. So Uber had earnings yesterday, and I knew that Uber would miss. Actually, what happened was they beat on earnings and they missed on revenue. So Uber dropped about 5% total stock, and I bought 15 contracts worth. I spent about 3,600 or so to make back $1,400 in profit. Now, I don't want you guys to think that $1,400 profit is going to happen every single time. As you guys know, I have a lot of contracts and I had to put a lot of money to make this kind of money back, which is crazy because yesterday I got into Uber and it went up 20 cents, and then I was up about $800, and then it's down like fucking 7% the whole stock, and I only make actually $825 return. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at Uber real quick. So with Uber, here's what's interesting. We are now retesting the all-time low. So who knows what's going to happen right here. I actually closed out my position. Because of that, I was cool and comfortable with this kind of profit. Everybody else in the alert room, all of my other students who I told about this Uber trade, if they're still holding, great. But I closed out Uber, and now I'm currently in McDonald's. So take a look at McDonald's. I spent about $4,300, and I'm currently in profits over $1,000. So I've been in McDonald's for about 3 hours. So I bought this 3 hours ago, and now I'm up $1,000. So in order to make money like this, you definitely do need to put a lot of money into certain trades. You know, some trades you don't have to put a lot of money in. You can put like $600 in, $400, and still make returns like this. But I'm definitely holding McDonald's for the long run. McDonald's is definitely kind of stock. Here's the analysis for that, so you guys can see. Really beautiful. If you do not trade using ICHIMOKU, you definitely need to. You need to go to tylertrades.com, and I'll teach you exactly how to use it. So this is exactly what we're projecting for McDonald's. So this is definitely a stock I'm going to be holding until all of next year. As you guys can see, my expiration date on McDonald's is 12/20. The reason why I did that is because I'm going to lock out profits right before the New Year's, and then come New Year's, I will go ahead and get maybe 20, 21 contracts on McDonald's.